Hello guys, and welcome to another video about, making money and cash back. Well, today is about I guess you could say both of them. It's about making money and it is about cash back because you're going to get money from your cash back. And as you see on the screen, we're going to be going over Dosh. I just recently discovered this about probably a week or 2 weeks ago, and I'm not an expert on this. I'm not going to say I've used it a lot. I just now got it, and I was planning to order me a pizza. So this app will be perfect for ordering a pizza. Now you might be asking, why will this app be perfect for ordering a pizza? So the way it works is you sign up, which again, like I always say, I want you guys to go down in the link and sign up through the description code. If you do sign up through the description code down in the description, on there, it will get you the initial $5 for starting, and it also shows me love and support for making these videos and trying to find these apps for you guys. But when you sign up for the Dosh, it's going to have you put on whatever card you like to use, whatever card you like to go out and shop with. You're going to link that card to Dosh, and I think it accepts most to all cards possible. And when you order something, let's say you're using it on a daily, everyday basis, you're just buying stuff. You don't care what you're buying. You're just buying stuff. You're just swiping that card over and over. Well, the thing what Dosh does, whatever card that you put up there, it's going to be checking on their system. Does it have a cash back reward for you for that specific thing you buy? And if it does, it's going to give you the percentage back of what you just spent. So the reason why I was talking about Papa John's, they happen to have a Papa John's offer where they give you, I believe it's like 2 to 7% cash back on your Papa John's order. I mean, it's not much, but cash back is better than no cash back if you ask me. Like, what's the difference from not getting cash back and actually getting your cash back? Let's say you spent maybe $200 or something, man. I mean, 10% cash back is still pretty decent. Of $100, that's $10 back of your money that you just spent right there. So it's like I said, it's not bank breaking, but it's something that you guys might enjoy. So let's go ahead and get into this. I have a habit of talking too much. So you have it through the App Store and Google Play, as you can see up here. And we can scroll down, and you can see how it works. Introducing Dosh. Link your card, like I just told you, and then you shop and dine out. So you can shop online or you can shop in the store, which I have a very disorganized screenshots up here. So this is not where we want to be at. Let's see. Okay. All right. So like I said, we have this whole disorganized picture here. So you got your nearby, like let's the Papa John's down there. You can't see it. Sorry, I accidentally covered it up, but I believe it says like 3% cash back. I'm not sure how much it says, but it's about the same as the Mattress Firm or Hallmark or whatever. And let's say I buy something for Papa John's with the card that I linked up here, then it will give me cash back automatically for the card I use. So the beauty about this thing is you're not really having to do anything. You're not having to do anything to get your cash back, and you can book hotels as well. They give you cash back for doing your hotel. So if you're a business person and you're spending a buttload of money on your when you're doing your travel stuff, then you can get a good amount of your cash back from your travel. So that's a little bonus about it. Now, to transfer your cash, everybody wants to know, how do you get your cash? What's the process to get your cash? Well, it's down here. You can transfer it to your bank account, your PayPal, or donate it to charity, which, if you're nice, you'll donate it to charity. But I'm assuming you guys are watching this video because you want it in your pocket. So, you can donate it to your pockets. And the way about doing that is you get $25, which, let's see if we can find it right here. So, a minimum cash balance is required of $25. So, there is that little thing that's not too bad, because it's like I said, it's just you put your card up there and you don't have to worry about it again. You just keep swiping and swiping and swiping, buying whatever you usually buy, and eventually come check back and see how much money you accumulated over the times, and eventually you'll have enough to get your cash back. So that's something nice about it. And these are some of the places that they give you cash back for. Chili's, I know Chili's. Hilton Hotel, I've been there a few times. Jiffy Lube, yeah, I went to Jiffy Lube. So there's a few things that you can look up here and see. If you do this on a normally day basis, if you shop at these places, which there's way more than on this list, then you'll get cash back for shopping at these places. You just gotta make sure you have your cards linked. You can link as many cards as you want, I believe. I don't think there's a limit. These are the stories from, I guess, real people and what they've experienced. You could go through those and see what people said. For some reason, is this working? Yeah, there we go. So you can go through and see, we recently remodeled a spare bedroom or something like that, and all this stuff. You see people just getting their cash back for their everyday expenditure. So you're getting cash back for something you normally wouldn't get cash back for. That's the whole beauty of this. And they tell you about their security, how safe is your cards on their website, and how they encrypt their information that's being processed, and the safeguards and all that. So that's, if you want to read all this, then I'm into I said that all wrong. And then all this other good stuff that you can look at. So, like I said, I'm not an expert on this. I am not an expert at all, but this is a site that I personally will recommend checking out if you shop at any of the places. So, I feel like I didn't show you some things up here. I'm gonna go through my disorganized thing right here. Oh yeah, the reward system. It's all about reward systems, you know, because it's good to do rewards. You can see down, where is it? Right here. With the reward system, you have a chance of getting $5 back when you set somebody up that you know or maybe do not know. Either way, if you set them up and get them on their way to earning cash back, the moment they finally earn their first lump of change from doing their cash back, you get $5 for being the referral. So that's why I'm referring you guys, because if you guys succeed and start getting your cash back, then that means I succeed, and that shows me the like I said, love and support for trying to find these videos for you guys. And as you can see, I've only done one referral down there, so I haven't really done much. But I just, like I said, I just started this to see how it is, and I'm trying to get other people up here on board with Dosh to tell me how it is. Like, you can put in the comment section below, how did Dosh work out for you? Because, you know, I just started it, and it's really nice. I'm liking it. And let's see how it works for you guys. But I think that is pretty much all that I have to say about it. I mean, here's some of the hotels right here that you get cash back for, just to show you what it looks like, you know. So, you know, $245 per night at the La Quinte Inn. You get $15.74 total cash back for that, I guess, per night. So that's nice. If you're staying for $245, you're getting $15 per night. That's a beautiful lump of money back. So like I said, there's a few things that you can do up here, and I think that is it that I wanted to explain. You can pause the video and look at these images yourselves, or you can just go download it and see what's up here. But that's pretty much it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And like I said, in the comment section down there, you know, let me know about Dosh. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you think Dosh is worth it, or if it's not worth it. I mean, I personally think it's worth it because you're not losing anything in the interim of doing this. You're putting your card up there, and you're just going out to do your regular, you know, daily basis thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all I gotta say. I'm gonna stop rambling because you know me, I ramble too much. I hope you guys have a good day. And again, leave anything down in the comment section below. All right.